What's up, guys? This is Josh. We're at CSC Diesel, and got an 0360 here with a ficm that keeps shutting off. So you turn the key on, you don't hear it clatter like it's supposed to, and it's this fuse back there. I have an actual lead going into where the power supply comes up for the fuse. It keeps blowing out. So what I have here is multimeter set to ohms, which is grounded. So long story short, I grab the harness at the ficm, and if I wiggle it, it will ground out. And right there, that will blow the fuse. That's straight to ground. And then if I wiggle that harness some more, boom, we're back to where it should be. So if you have that fuse blowing out, there is, on this truck at least, the harness that goes underneath the airbox, there is a problem.